How to update drivers for Windows 11. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about, so let me start with the video. Okay, first come to the search bar on window and search for control panel. Okay, here come to the view by, come to the large icon, and here we need to go in device manager. Okay, so here you can see the all drivers. Okay, you can go to the view and make sure show hidden device. You can see the all drivers, so choose your drivers which you want to update. So if I go for this network adapter, okay, so select your adapter, right click on it and go to the property, go to the driver, and from here go to the update. Okay, there is a two option. You can browse from your computer, go to the latest, pick the drivers and select your network drivers, show all drivers, and here we need to select that network driver. Okay, so network adapter you need to search, so maybe in here this one, and just click on next, so it will be reinstall. Okay, it is like reinstall from your window file. Okay, it's like offline. If I go to the another options here in these options, so it will be start search automatically on internet and it will be update, but in my case it is already updated, so it is not showing here. And here the second option, you can go for search update drivers on window updates. Okay, so you don't need to go here, just come to the search, come to the setting, and come to the systems, go to the window updates, and here you need to enable this update. Okay, just enable it. Once it's update, once it enable, you need to wait for some time. Okay, and now come to the these options and search for update driver on window updates. Okay, so it will be search, is there any updation for your driver, so it will be installed automatically. Okay, so here we have the all drivers, like you can also install that graphics driver with the same way. Okay, from here or go to the property, here you can see your driver's date, driver date and version. From here you can update with the same way. Okay, but if you are using any graphics card like NVIDIA or something, so you need to open that software NVIDIA and just open it and come to the go to the drivers and search for updation. Okay, then from there you can update, or you need to go in system informations here, and you can see here the baseboard manufacturer and the baseboard product. So you need to search these keywords on your browser first. Let me show you. Okay, so here you can see this key contain, or you can say this text I need to search on my browser, and just hit the enter. You can see that top link, which is official link of your motherboard manufacturer, and here you need to go in drivers. You need to see the drivers option or something like this. Okay, download center. So here you need to select your motherboard or graphic, what you want, select that series, and here the Intel series and the model name. Once you select, you can see the drivers options, and from here you can download as per your operating systems and the version. Okay, so you just select the operating system, Windows 11 64-bit or whatever this operating system, you can check here. Okay, so this is my 64 base PC. Okay, so you need to just select okay, you can check everything here and just go to the download. Once it download, you need to just install it to your PC and restart your PC after installations. Okay, so there is a way you can, that is a way or methods you can update your Windows 11 drivers. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.